Here we've got all our beautiful ingredients. This recipe makes about 20 patties, which is 2 per person. And I'm going to list, of course, all the ingredients under the description. So place your chicken into a food processor together with eggs, garlic, and you can also add rosemary. If you don't like rosemary, don't add rosemary in here as it's got a very strong flavor. You then want to add all your spices, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and chili. And I'm also adding different spices such as nutmeg and 21 seasoning. Then you want to blitz everything together until your chicken comes together into this puree. So by using a food processor, we mince the chicken and make it very, very fluffy and light. You should have liquid mixture just like this. Now I want to add as many vegetables as possible into my chicken meal prep. And because this is a healthy one, we want to add as much fiber into our meals. So the more vegetables you add, the better it is. So just cut and de-seed your peppers and then do the same with your zucchini. Place all your chicken mixture into a bowl. And then I'm going to grate my zucchini with a grater. If you don't have a food processor, just use a normal grater. And then place your grated zucchini inside your chicken. And I'm going to do the same with the red pepper. Once you've added all your vegetables into your chicken mixture, just transfer it into a larger bowl. Mine was too small to mix. And then you want to go ahead and mix everything together. And then you want to add chia seeds and some oat bran. You can also use gluten-free oats. It's completely up to you. Then using your hand, you want to mix this mixture together. It has so much goodness in it. They're so yummy, healthy, and delicious. Then you want to place 1 tablespoon of the mixture onto a prepared baking tray lined with some foil or parchment paper. If your foil is non-sticky, then add a bit of oil or cooking spray at the bottom. And then place all your chicken cutlets on top. We're going to bake these for about 20 to 25 minutes in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Now the timing will depend on your oven, so just check them through and see how they're doing. But they cook pretty quickly. And this makes a lot of them, so there is a lot of meal prep done for many, many days. You can have these with extra side of vegetables, or if you're having rice or any carbs like pasta, then you can serve it with them. But it makes a lot and they freeze really well up to 3 months. Or you can keep it in a fridge for 3 days. Enjoy!